Hi, Sassy! Ayan o.
Saka yun kasi may conditioner, ma'am. Humok.
Brazilian, then...
Sa taas.
Daddy. Where are we? Where are we? Hey guys, it's Garcia, and yeah, I just wanted to share to you guys that I had a Brazilian blow something, or the treatment that we called Brazilian at the Ixb Salon. Then you have manicure and pedicure, and it's an organic nail polish, they said. It looks like this. I so love my nails, although I have a very short nails. Yeah. They said that I will not wash or I will not take a bath for half bath, pwede. Pero yung basain yung hair ko for 2 days, hindi pwede. And we got this conditioner, organic Brazilian salt, and a free condition damage shifty solution from the shop and the Ixb Salon. We also got oil, and it says here that it's 10 ml, then you have to apply it after you take a bath. So far I'm loving the result. So what's good about it is that they had promo last month pa ata, or last week. Then they ended last week lang. So yan, we were able to avail the promo. So that's all for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my vlog and my video about the Brazilian blowout. So yeah, that's all for this video, guys. Hope to see you again.